right now I'm engineer. I am quantum engineer. I don't use fraction that much. I'm not seen it. We saw a lot of differential equation in these all things. But if fractions were not there, it won't have bothered me that much. But we'll see what are advantages of fraction and decimals. But we can simply think that decimals are much easier to understand. It could subdivide itself so that we'll have a lot of numbers to play with. One of the comparisons which will, if I ask, like, which is greater, 3 by 5 and 4 by 6, then you have to draw the number line and see which one is bigger, right? It is a little more work or something. But if you represent the same number in decimal, it will look 0.6 and 5.7. And now we can clearly say that, okay, this is not greater, right? Probably, okay, this is sign, if I haven't told you this sign about greater and less than sign, which means which is bigger and smaller. You can probably say that this is incorrect because 0.6 is obviously greater. But in this decimal form, it's so much easier to recognize than the fraction form. That's why decimal made quite easier, and this is one of the advantages. But still, fraction has some. But still, I'm on the more on the decimal side. But yesterday I was having a conversation with my friend. He was on more on the fraction side. I was telling the pros and cons. And only thing which I don't like that they ruin the central contract of grouping or like divisioning things between tens, right? And they somehow, that's why I'm against it. But still, we'll see what are the pros and cons of actions. So if fraction, if you have to write 1/7, right? It doesn't fully get divided, and this number will, the solution is not limited. It will just repeat itself. It goes 1/4287 again. It will start 1/47. 1/7 is more precise, and this is like less precise, I would say. Same way if you divide one by 3, right? If you try to convert into a decimal form, it will become 0.33333333 something like this, and it will never stop, right? So